have rain and snow on the way this weekend, but it's going to take some time for the snow levels to drop. Not expecting a lot at Crater Lake, but as much as 6 inches of snow is possible through the weekend. We could definitely use it. 25 inches, the snow depth measured this morning, 4.5 feet below the average. Our snowpack is struggling across the Pacific Northwest, but this system will help a little bit. It will at least bring some beneficial rainfall to much of the region. A big swing in our weather here as we head through the weekend. Tonight should be mainly dry though. Clouds will start to increase, a little bit of patchy fog in the Grants Pass area down to 38 degrees, 35 in Medford, 20s expected on the east side and down to 31 degrees in Wairika. Shower chances pick up along the coast as we go throughout the day. Some showers possible inland into Josephine and Jackson County, but don't expect a washout on your Saturday. Up to 58 degrees in Medford, 55 in Klamath Falls, and 57 for the high tomorrow in Mount Shasta. Still highs running a bit above normal for this time of the year. Doing some wine tasting. Won't be too bad tomorrow, but it is definitely going to be a wetter day on Sunday. Cooler temperatures expected. We do dry out on Monday in the Rogue Valley. Crater Lake, mainly looking at rain tomorrow with that shower activity. Snow levels will be pretty high, getting as high as 7,500 feet or so Saturday night into Sunday morning, but they do lower as we go through the day Sunday, and we will get some accumulating snow for Crater Lake. Most of the snow accumulation going to stay above about 5,000 feet. It's just these snow levels drop off, but it's not until a lot of the moisture starts to move out, or at least the most widespread precipitation moves out of the region tomorrow evening and night. Here's a look at forecast snowfall. Trace to an inch for Lake of the Woods, maybe a couple of inches or so at Diamond Lake, 4 to 6 inches at Crater Lake, and just a quick 1 to 2 inches for Mount Ashland. We could see up to an inch at the Mount Shasta Ski Park. So not great for snow lovers, but there is another system we're watching that could have some lower snow levels and some more impactful snow weather for us, winter weather, by the end of this next week, a week from today. In the meantime, this weekend, tomorrow, clouds increase, the potential for some showers. Notice precipitation becoming more widespread and picking up in intensity, especially on the west side tomorrow night into Sunday morning. And then we'll see things starting to dry out tomorrow night. That's when those snow levels really start to drop off. Here's a look at rainfall amounts. Definitely the highest totals west of the Cascades towards Curry and Josephine County, upwards of 1 to 3 inches of rainfall possible, but pretty beneficial amounts for basically everybody. Wet weather for this weekend for the coast. It's going to be heavier rain Saturday night into Sunday. Northern California, most of the rain holding off until we get into Sunday. Along with the wet weather on Sunday will come some gusty winds for the basin. Chillier temperatures into early next week, highs in the 40s. Up in the mountains, we'll see rain and snow, lowering snow levels later on Sunday though. And then in the Rogue Valley, tracking that rain returning. Some beneficial moisture expected, especially into Sunday, and then mostly quiet weather through a good chunk of next week.